Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can write text in videos using Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Again, if you watch any of my other tutorials, I have explained how you can import your videos and drag them over here, but you just import them by clicking this button, choosing them from your device, and then just taking them and dragging and dropping them into the timeline, just to make a quick sort of recap. And now that you're here you can start actually modifying these things. You can go to text in the left side here, you can choose a title, you can choose plain text, and then you just drag it and drop it over here, and then you're pretty much done. Now you can just change whatever you want here to the right, and once you've chosen the color, let's say black for example, let's minimize it a bit, you can write anything you want here, and once you've written that text, the text will appear above your video in the timeline, and you can just elongate it for as long as you want. And if you play the video, I'll just drag and drop this here board, or this pointer for the video progress. As you can see, while it's over the text is still shown in the video. If I go forward ahead of the text, as you can see, there's no text anymore. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.